In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an Azure virtual machine from backup using an Azure Backup Protected environment, specifically through a Recovery Services Vault. Restoring a virtual machine can be daunting if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through this process. We'll go over everything you need to know, from making sure you're ready to getting your VM up and running again. First things first, we need to cover a few prerequisites to make sure you're set for success. Start by ensuring that the virtual machine you want to restore has been protected with Azure Backup, and that there are available recovery points in a Recovery Services Vault. These recovery points are crucial, as they allow you to revert your VM to a previous state. Additionally, you'll need the correct permissions, such as Backup Contributor or Backup Operator, assigned both on the Vault and within your target subscription or resource group. If your intention is to restore the VM to a different subscription, region, or zone, it's essential to verify that the necessary features, like cross-subscription restore or cross-region restore, are supported and enabled on your Vault. Lastly, confirm that your target subscription or region has enough quota and resources, such as VM size and storage capacity, to accommodate the restored virtual machine. Now, we'll dive into the restoration process itself through the Azure portal. Begin by opening the Azure portal and navigating to your Recovery Services Vault. Within the Vault's left-hand menu, select Backup Items, then click on Azure Virtual Machine to bring up the list of VMs that have been backed up. From this list, find and select the virtual machine you wish to restore, then click the Restore VM button. Next, you'll need to choose a recovery point from the list provided. Typically, it's best to select the most recent recovery point, unless there's a specific earlier state you're aiming to restore. Now, it's time to configure your restore settings. For the restore type, choose Create New Virtual Machine if you want a completely new VM, or Restore Disks if you prefer managing the disks manually. Fill in the details for the target resource group, virtual network, and any other settings that define where your restored VM will reside. If your Vault supports it, you may also opt for a cross-subscription or cross-region restore. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, initiate the restore process by clicking Restore. After starting the restore, you should keep an eye on the progress. Head back to the Vault and click on Backup Jobs to monitor the status. The restore might take some time, but once completed, verify that the VM is operational in its new location. And lastly, validate the restored VM by checking networking configurations, such as network security groups, firewall settings, and disk states. Don't forget, it's a good idea to reapply any backup policies to the VM to ensure continued protection. And there you have it. Restoring a VM using Azure's Recovery Services Vault is a straightforward process once you've got the prerequisites and settings down. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.